If you've ever wanted to create a clean, professional, and visually engaging presentation without spending hours on design, Canva is the perfect tool for you. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a presentation in Canva from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up only takes a minute and it's completely free. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top of the homepage and type in the word presentation. You'll now see a wide collection of beautifully designed templates ready to use. Canva offers templates for business meetings, school projects, marketing decks, and much more. Take a moment to scroll through the options and pick one that fits your topic or the tone you want to convey. Choosing the right template sets the mood and gives your presentation a consistent visual flow. Once you've found the one that speaks to you, click on it and then hit the button that says Customize this template. This will open the Canva editor, your main workspace where the magic happens. Now, it's time to personalize your slides. Click on any text box to edit it. Type in your own titles, bullet points, or key ideas. You can easily change the font style, size, and color to match your personal or brand style. Keep your text concise and engaging so your audience stays focused on your main message. To make your slides more visually appealing, explore Canva's built-in library on the left panel. You'll find thousands of photos, icons, and illustrations you can add to highlight your points. Just drag and drop them onto your slide. If you're using multiple images or shapes, make sure your layout stays balanced. Too much clutter can distract from what you're trying to say. When you've customized all your slides, take a moment to review your entire presentation. Check that your fonts, colors, and spacing will look consistent throughout. Canva's preview feature is really helpful here. Click on it to see your presentation in full screen mode, exactly how your audience will view it. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to download. Click on the download button at the top right and choose your preferred format. PDF for sharing or PowerPoint if you'll be presenting offline. And that's it. You've just created a polished, professional presentation in Canva with ease. The more you experiment with templates and design elements, the faster you'll get at making visually stunning slides. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and start creating your next presentation in Canva today.